two things in life are true for everyone: death and taxes. But what comes in between? What if you become incapacitated? If you can't handle your finances or health care anymore, where do you turn for help? Let's turn to my law partner, Mike Solomon, to help solve these issues. So, Mike, what does happen if a person becomes unable to pay their bills or make their health care decisions?
Well, hopefully, if you've planned in advance, you have a durable power of attorney, a legal document, so that you'll have that issue covered.
Okay. What is a power of attorney? You said that so easily. I mean,
well, it is a legal document. You're appointing an attorney in fact, someone who can handle all your affairs for your financial affairs. You can list various things, or be specific or general, like paying your bills, filing your taxes for you, maybe selling your house if that needs to be. Someone can handle your affairs for you if you're not able to handle them yourself.
Okay. Is there one individual form like that everybody can get a hold of and use?
Well, a number of years ago, the Ohio passed, in the Ohio Revised Code, a statutory power of attorney. So it's a form that Ohio is okay to use, but also many people still have individual forms so they can tweak it for their own uses.
So it can be customized?
Right. You can have it customized.
Who should I appoint as my attorney in fact?
Well, this is really important. You have to appoint someone you trust because it's a really powerful document, and if the person abuses it, you're going to be in trouble. So you want to make sure you appoint someone you trust. Think about, you could have co-power holders, so they both have to sign it together if you're worried about some of those things. And certainly want to name some successors, so you have a few people named in a row.
Good idea. Now, can your financial person also deal with medical issues for you?
Well, yes, but you should have a separate document. So you have a financial power of attorney and you have a healthcare power of attorney, and that lays out, again, someone that you trust who can make all your medical decisions, choose your doctors, look at your medical records, and make all those sorts of decisions that you can't make yourself. And again, you can name the primary person and you can name successors after that.
That would be important. So what happens if I don't have this power of attorney, or I don't have a healthcare power of attorney signed?
Well, if you become incompetent, then you're going to have a guardianship. Someone's going to have to go to court and become appointed guardian to handle your affairs for you. And there's a lot more paperwork that has to be filed with the court, and therefore it could be more expensive than if you just went ahead and had the healthcare power of attorney, which is also a form, and a financial power of attorney, and get that done so you have that in place.
All right, sounds like really good advice. So as you can see, a power of attorney is a powerful tool to have in place, and the best time to create them? Before you need them. For help, give Mike a call. The number's coming up next.
Call Solomon, Steiner, and Peck at 1-888-236-5173 for more information or to schedule a speaker for your organization. Or log on to www.ssnplaw.com.
Thanks for joining us. On next week's show, we're going to have lots more, but until then, please remember to make the most of your golden opportunities.
Would you like to join our kitchen conversation? All you have to do is call toll-free 1-877-765-1543 and leave us your question, name, and phone number. Or log on to www.golden.tv for all the latest information and show updates.
Golden Opportunities is paid for by Elder Productions.